Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these pumpkin cookies. They even have a cream cheese frosting on the top, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and cloves, and whisk them together until they're combined, and then set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the softened butter, brown sugar, and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for a few minutes until they're well combined and become lighter in color. Then add in the egg, vanilla extract, and pumpkin puree, and mix them in well. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in until they're combined. Then scoop it out onto an ungreased baking sheet, spacing them out at least 2 inches. And bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until they just start turning a light golden brown color. Once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool for about 2 minutes in the pan. And then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. Now to make the cream cheese frosting, in a medium bowl add the softened cream cheese and the softened butter and beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for about a minute. And then sift in half of the powdered sugar. Mix it on low speed at first, and then beat it on high speed until it's well combined. Then sift in the rest of the powdered sugar, and then mix it in until it's combined. Then once the cookies have cooled completely, frost each of them in the frosting. And that's how to make pumpkin cookies that are even frosted with the cream cheese frosting. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.